Hi all, hope you all are safe, doing good. Today's video is about a feature in every Apple product called iMovies. So whether it's an iPhone, iPad or a MacBook, all of them have this feature iMovies. Now you must be wondering, why are we talking about a feature in Apple product? Is this video kind of sponsored by Apple? No, it's not. The reason I'm talking about iMovies as a feature is because training content development plays a vital role in a trainer's life, right? We all agree to that. Now, iMovies is one feature using which you can actually make your boring PPTs very, very interesting by putting some really nice movies and videos in it. So, we are going to talk about it. It's going to be very, very interesting. You're going to love it to the core. Please watch the entire video, and yes, please subscribe.
Okay, so now we are going to look at iMovies. So on your iPhone, here's an icon for iMovies. If you could see from the corner, it's on my phone, it's from the corner, last column, fourth icon. So here's a star with a camera. We click on that. Now when I click on iMovies, there's a plus icon to make a new project. So I click on plus icon. Then it asks me whether I want to make a trailer or I want to make a movie. So let's say I click on a trailer. Okay, so here it gives me some very interesting templates to choose from. I can select any of these templates, and let's say I click on superhero, and then I click on create. After that, first I go on outline. I give a name to my movie. I put the name of the different cast which are there, then the gender of the cast, because in the template that's a kind of requirement. Then I give the name of the studio. Then I can choose which style I want. For example, I can go for colored bars, or I can go for dandelion, or I can go for galaxy, whichever you like. Then you can put details like the movie is directed by whom, edited by whom, so on and so forth. Then this is where the storyboard is. Now in the storyboard, you can give the headers, titles, and then you click on these icons and you can select which video you want to put there. I've done one of the projects, so I'll show it to you as a sample. So this is how you can do it. It's very, very easy. Now let's see how it looks. So this is one of the projects that I did. So I'll just show that to you. The name of the project is Supergirl. It's the same template that I chose over there. Let me make it better. Okay, so this is one of the sample projects that I did for you guys in order to show you how a trailer is being made, how easy it is. Now, if you want to see if that how I had put the details, you can see over here I've just gone into the editing option, and now I can see that the name that I gave was Supergirl. Then cast member I put Avigna, simply fantastic, female as a gender, then my name Nimish, then the title that I gave to myself was Proud Dad, then my gender, then the studio name, then logo style, so on and so forth. Then I've just given some titles over there to the movie clips, and you have already seen the outcome. So it's very, very easy to do it. Anybody can do it. and then we just click on done. We go back, and here is our video Supergirl. Okay, so now we are back to iMovies again, and this time we are going to do something different. So we click on the plus sign, then we click on the movie. Okay, after that we can select whichever movie we want to edit. So let's say I want to edit this movie. Okay, just an example. Okay, and then I click on create movie. So once I've clicked on create movie, it has picked up this movie. Okay, then what I do is I go on, let me bring my cursor towards the starting of the video, and I click on plus, I click on video, I click on all, and let's say I pick up this video. I can even play the video to check whether this is the same video I want to add or not. So I've checked it, and then I click on the plus sign. It has added the video in the front of this video. Okay, then we go here at the last, we again go back to the videos, and let's say I pick up this video. I check. Okay, fine, I can add this. Okay, so this is just an example that I'm doing for you guys. Okay, right, now let's say if my cursor is in between, and if I click on plus, then what does it do? Okay, now since my cursor was more towards the end, it has brought the video towards the end. Okay, so we need to know where the cursor is if we are deciding on whether we want to put the video in front of the video or at the back of the video. Okay, so that I hope is very clear to you guys. Now, very interesting thing we are going to do. Okay, so I come here and I brought my cursor here, I've selected this video, and then I click on plus. Now this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a video, let's say this video. Okay, and this time I'll not click on plus. You can see these three dots there. I go on these three dots, and let's say I click on cutaway. Okay, so now what does it do? What it has done is it has overlapped my parent video, and it has basically now only once this new video is over, I'll be able to see my parent video again. This is what cutaway does. So let's try something else this time. Instead of cutaway, I do picture in picture. When I go do picture in picture, my parent video and my new video, both of them will be visible. Interesting, right? Then I go this time, I select the same video and I do split screen. In case of split screen, what it does is it divides the screen 50-50 and both the videos are visible in half screen. Okay, then we go this time, we select the same video and we go green and blue screen. This is awesome. The reason I'm saying this is awesome is because it removes that green screen which was there at my back. So a lot of times when we are not very happy with the background that we are using, so we just put a green background or a blue background to the video, and then we can edit that. Now this editing I have tried in various applications, believe me, but what really happens is when there's a hand movement or when there's a face movement, you still see that background a little bit, and there is no way that you can get rid of it unless you're using some expensive applications. But with iPhone, iMac or MacBook, any Apple product, using iMovies, the proficiency with which it edits is just amazing. It's lovely. You can't see any background, and you can put your video in front of any background that you want, right? Then we go again to the same video, and this time we do it audio only. So if we select audio only, it has only picked up the audio file. So then whatever I've said in the audio will be audible. Now we are also wondering, what are these two arrows in between these two videos? What does it do? So we click on that, and we can even choose the transition, that what is the transition type that you want. Also, let's say you took this as the first video, this as a second video, this as your third video, this as a fourth video, but now you have changed your mind and you want this video to be your first video. Just click on that, drag and drop. Now this has become your first, this has become your second, third and fourth. Nothing can be easier than this, believe me.
Okay, so now what we are going to do is something very, very interesting. I've chosen this one clip, and now in this clip, I can, if I want, I can freeze this clip for a little bit. If required, I can add something, I can reset that. Also, if I want to cut a part of the clip, I can select this, and okay, so I select this, scissor is on, and I can cut a part of it. So that's possible. Then I can even increase the speed. So let's see how it looks right now. Now same video, I select, and if I increase the speed, how does it look? All of a sudden you saw the speed has increased. Now that is because the speed of the frame has been increased, and that's very much possible. Then I can also play around with the volume. So currently the volume was very high, so if I reduce it, I'm sure you can see the difference, right? Then I can even add tags with some real good fonts offered by Apple, and I can even select whether I want the text to be at the center or lower, and then I can also select some interesting filters. We all love filters. Right, so once we're done with all this, and once we are satisfied with the project, we click on done, and then you see these arrow key, right? You can even play it before you actually save it, but let's say you're satisfied, you click on the arrow key, you can WhatsApp it, you can airdrop the video, you can put straight away to the Instagram, Facebook, you can send it on Messenger, you can make a copy of it, export project, save video, whatever you want to do, the video is all yours, and it's a proper video that will be going in, not just a link, which happens with a lot of applications. So it's a very, very useful tool. It's an amazing application which is there in all our iPhones, Mac, and iPads, and now we should make the most of it. Hey, hope you loved this stunning feature, iMovies. Next week, you're also going to make another video on one of the features in Apple product called Keynotes. That's also going to be very interesting because that will tell you how you can get your presentation reviewed at the same time using Keynotes with another Apple user, and also how you can make animations in an Apple product. And the beauty with these features is that they're absolutely free, and the output of these features are uncomparable. You will love them to the core. Stay connected, press the bell icon, share your comments so that we know what's going well, how we can improve, and press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications from our site. Stay connected, stay safe.